Welcome to Twigs in Greenville, South Carolina, the upstate's premier florist and home decor shop. Join them October 29th through November 1st for $40 a person. Their gorgeous holiday gallery. It can't be missed. Did you know they rotate their inventory for every season, and there's a selected few items of every category. Their seasonal home goods are some of the best around. Whether you're looking for something specific or you're looking for just simple inspiration, there's endless possibilities here at Twigs. Come check it out for yourself. Here's a They sell placemats, little trinkets, and more. You have to stop by and see some of their one-of-a-kind collectibles. At Twigs, you can shop by the color, texture, or ask their amazing team for inspiration. There is no stone left unturned with their live and artificial plant sections. It's spooky season, and all of the Halloween fans, here is a perfect space for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my website.